Hey, so in the last week I've been using the Sunlu filament dryer. What I really like about it is its small size and how it allows you to dry your filament safer. It's safer than putting it in the oven anyways. I picked it up for about 50 quid. It's a bit expensive when you consider it's a glorified food dehydrator. But yeah, so it allows you to set temperatures, I think up to 55 degrees. It kind of goes between 55 56. So you can set the time for how long you want each material to dry for. You can find instructions on this online. There might even be instructions in the box. But yeah, it's pretty simple. It holds one spool of filament. The only thing I would say is kind of bad about it, it doesn't have a power button, so at least not one that I can find. The only way to turn it off is to plug it out, which kind of makes it hard when you want to have it set up like on a wall or on the back of your printer. So I printed some mods, just this little hook to stop the lid from falling over. There's some good mods online. You can go have a look. I plan on putting it on top of a CR6 SE, and there's a shelf for that, so pretty cool.